We're going to show you how to connect your Logitech keyboard model K375s to two computers. In order to do that, you need to have the Logitech Options software installed. So from your browser, go to logitech.com. Under logitech.com, go to Support and select Downloads. And once again, select Downloads. So under Software, download the Logitech Options. Select this to download now and install it on your two computers. Once installed, start up the Logitech Options. Select the mouse, and you can see that there is a flow option over here. Select that. So currently, the flow is enabled for mouse, as you can see over here. This is computer 2 and this is computer 1. You need to ensure that the link keyboard option is enabled. Currently it is disabled. So select the keyboard to be enabled, and we will show you that the keyboard is able to follow where the mouse is. And we'll use a Microsoft Word document to show that. So we are now on computer 1. Let's type something. And with the mouse, we'll go to computer 2. So you can see that we are able to toggle between the two computers without pressing the switch on the mouse or even the switch on the keyboard itself. So this is how you enable the Logitech keyboard to be used on two computers simply by using the Logitech Flow software.